love that sound. What is up, everybody? Today I wanted to make a quick video about the Icon Airflite helmet. Yeah, the helmet I'm wearing. I will try to sprinkle in some B-roll footage of the helmet into this video so that you can actually see what I'm talking about a little bit, because I'm wearing the helmet. So, oh, these roads are so rough. So it's a little hard to get what I'm talking about if I'm wearing a helmet and then trying to talk to you about it. So I'll give you some visuals. Yay! For starters, I guess I should say that it's more of an oval shape. So if you have an oval shaped head, face, whatever, that's more for you. It's kind of like a long oval shape. I don't have the most ovally shape in the world myself, so it's a little bit narrow on me, but it feels fine. I mean, this is my long-term review of it. I've had this helmet for roughly 5 years, and obviously if I'm still wearing it, can't be that bad, right? Hello. So it's comfortable, but the biggest reason I think people buy these helmets is the looks. And other than the motorcycle itself, the helmet is what people talk to me about by far the most. Like, if you need a conversation starter, this helmet, it does that. It's a cool helmet for sure. You know, they all come with that clear visor. At least I think they all come with a clear visor. And you know, you see that on the helmet and it looks different for sure, but it doesn't have that wow factor. Now, some of these other visors definitely have that wow factor. Now, a big plus of this helmet is that you can kind of mix and match. They offer a lot of customization, which is awesome. So, like, if you want a matte black helmet with blue visor, you can do that. Dark visor, you can do that. Red visor, like mine, you can do that. If you want a bright, cool, colorful helmet, you can do that. If you want a red helmet, you can do that. Like, they just offer different mixies and matchies, if you will. I left a little late, so now I have to deal with traffic more than usual. Darn. You know what that means? Rumble strips. Haha, that's fun. That makes my throat feel weird. That's what she said. Anyway, back to the helmet. So one thing that I kind of forgot about, I don't do it often, is the drop-down visor. And I have it down right now to remind me to talk about it. And I still almost didn't because I forgot it was there. It's super convenient. These helmets have a built-in drop-down sun visor. So even if you have the clear shield on and you're like, oh no, the sun's in my eyes, well, you can just reach up, click this little lever right here, and boom, instant sun visor. Did I mention they were also customizable? That's right, you can customize everything on this helmet for some reason. It's awesome, I love it. You're telling me the guy with a camouflage wrapped Camaro likes customization? Yeah, weird, right? Alright, so now I'm gonna vent to you about this helmet. And when I say vent, I'm talking ventilation, baby. The ventilation in this thing is awesome. It is really great. I have all the vents open right now. The little chin vent, it's kind of covered by my GoPro, but I still get a good bit of ventilation coming in, so I can't complain. And you don't have to put a GoPro on your helmet, and if you do, it doesn't have to block the vents like mine does, but you know, whatever, here we are. But that chin vent actually has not just open and close, but it has a middle click section thing, whatever, if you will, that directs the air towards the visor, I believe it is, just like straight up on the visor. So I guess if you're having fogging issues, which I never really had in this helmet, then you can do that and it'll clear it up for you. So yeah, I should mention anti-fog. It really doesn't fog up. Like, I've been sitting still in traffic before and like breathing heavily on it, and it's like 137 degrees outside here in Georgia. Not really, but it gets hot and humid. And like, I'll notice it kind of start to fog up, but as soon as I get moving again, it goes right away. It's really never been an actual problem. Plus, if it was that bad, like, this visor takes up the entire helmet. You can just lift it up and wipe it real quick if you needed to. I guess I should talk about wind noise. So yeah, this helmet does have a little bit of wind noise, sawed it. It's definitely not the quietest, but I can't say it's any worse than most other helmets out there. If you're trying to buy a helmet strictly for quietness, this probably isn't one you should look at, but it's definitely not like a loud, annoying one either, if that makes sense. It makes so much sense, it makes dollars. There is a quote-unquote whistle problem with this helmet. There's certain angles and, like, I don't know, maybe wind conditions that if you aim your head a certain way, you get like a whistling noise through the visor. And I've heard it before, but I have to like try to get it. I've never just been cruising and be like, wow, this is really annoying, or there's a whistle and I can't make it stop. Like, it's not like that. So if you see people talking about the whistling from the visor of this helmet, at least in my personal experience, it's not bad, and I have to try to find it. And even like right now, I can't. Like, I can't make it whistle. So for me at least, that's never been an issue. And I will also mention this before I get off of venting topic. When I have this sun visor, the secondary sun visor down, I believe it frees up a little more of the ventilation up top. So if you have the sun visor up and you're not using it, I think it lessens the effectiveness of the two vents up top of the helmet. I could be wrong, but to me it feels that way. I mean, even with the visor closed and the vents open, like, it's still nice. You still get plenty of ventilation. I have no complaints about the ventilation of this helmet. It is awesome. Keeps me nice and cool on these hot summer days. That's for sure. Keeps me cooler than a Fiat, I'll tell you that much right now. My phone is going off right now and I can't answer it because I'm on the bike, bro. That's probably something I should mention is, I don't know if you can see it here, but my GoPro setup, I'll just put in B-roll footage. What am I thinking? My GoPro is on the front of this helmet, and if you do want to film your adventures, endeavors, and possible wrecks, then I do suggest getting a GoPro, and the best place for it is the front. Now, it has drawbacks there. So without a GoPro on my face shield, you can lift the visor up and it stays up. Like, you can cruise around town with it all the way up. It's fine. However, with a GoPro on the front, I can only do it at this speed right here. The second I start giving it any throttle, it closes. Honestly, I was really surprised it stayed up right there. Normally it falls down. Oh, hi. Someone's waving. I saw it. Smile for the camera, little dude. But yeah, with the GoPro on, I also can't open this visor more than I just did because of the mic wire. So if you're using audio from like a Sena or something, it's actually fine. But if you're like me and you're using the GoPro mic adapter, mine is mounted under the camera, and I'll have links for all my setup in the description, so go check that out. Bye, little dude. But yeah, I can't lift my visor all the way up anymore because that wire, obviously, like, I can't, the wire's only so long. If that makes any sense. I'll put B-roll, whatever. And yeah, my shield just kind of slowly closes on its own there. But yeah, that's my long-term review, I guess. So yeah, it's held up all these years perfectly fine. I really don't have any complaints about it. Obviously, it's still my helmet I use whenever I ride. So clearly I don't hate it. And Icon's not sponsoring me or anything for this video, but they could. Icon. Yeah, hit your boy up. But that's really it, guys. If you found anything in this video to be helpful, hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button if you want, you know, because we could be friends or something. That's cool. If not, it's whatever, fine. And other than that, I will catch you guys next time. Always remember, ride safe. There's a lot of idiots out on the road. I'm one of them. I'm just kidding. Peace out, Girl Scouts. I will catch you guys next time.